Google finally entered the computer using agent game, just launched Gemini 2.5 computer use, similar to some of the thing from OpenAI with their operator back in the day and Agent Now and Anthropic, a model designed to interact with web and mobile interfaces via a browser-like interface. So it kind of clicks, scrolls, types, effectively uses apps. So as opposed to the kind of OpenAI use an MCP to write an app that operates here, it's going to go on and just use the apps the way they were built for humans. Currently optimized for browser workflows, but it's capable of using mobile and other UIs. It's not built for full desktop automation yet. It's kind of running in the cloud, and it's actually available for an API. So people who want to build agents that can use a computer or use applications to do things, now developers can use an API. You send Gemini a request, a screenshot, the history of your UI actions. Gemini chooses a new UI action and tells you what to do, and your client model executes it. So I think this is interesting to see more and more people investing in this computer using or app using agents so that your ChatGPT or Gemini agent can go out and use applications on your behalf, and not just the way OpenAI wants you to do it, but the way a developer may go, hey, I'm an internal developer company X and I want to automate the way people use these 4 systems. I can now go do that through the Gemini model, which is pretty cool.
That is cool. One thing I wasn't clear about when I was reading all of this stuff is how much of this is just like them catching up to functionality that other people have already built versus something that's truly new. It seemed a little bit like a catch-up game.
It's a little bit of a catch-up game, but I think the interesting thing here to me was that it was on the developer side. So a lot of this has been user-facing, where I as a user can go tell ChatGPT agent, go browse these websites, do these things, or I can use Perplexity's agent to like browse this website and cancel my subscription to the service that I can't find the button for, kind of stuff. And it's doing it as me. But as a developer, I can't build my own tools to navigate internal sites or different sites. So this is an interesting developer. Google leaning into their kind of seemingly doing, I think, better in many ways with developers than they are with consumers. Not a lot of Gemini consumer users that I know, but really leaning into the developer tooling. And I think this is an interesting addition on the developer side.
Interesting. Yeah.